Dear students, welcome. Today I am going to solve these 4 problems. Before going to solve these 4 problems, we should discuss about linear differential equations. What is linear differential equation? You see, all these differential equations, 1, 2 and 3 are differential equations, are of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x or constant. Now you see the differential equation number 1. If you divide the differential equation 1 by cos x, then it will be of the form dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to 1 by cos x, which is sec x, like that. Now, such type of differential equations are called linear differential equations. Now, let me define a differential equation of the form. A differential equation of the form. dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x or a constant. Where p and q are functions of x alone or constant is called a linear differential equation. Linear differential equation is called a linear differential equation with y as dependent variable and x as independent variable. Linear differential equation. In y, you may say in y, it will simply mean the x as the independent variable. You may write here with y as dependent and y and x as independent variable. Dependent and x as independent variable. X as independent. Now, to solve such type of differential equations, we will multiply this equation by a factor in such a way that the left hand side becomes a perfect differential. What does it mean? The left hand side becomes a perfect differential. Perfect differential means left hand side. What is the left hand side of this? dy by dx plus py. P and q are functions of x, any type of functions of x or a constant. We should multiply this by the differential equation by a factor in such a way that this becomes a perfect differential. What does it mean? As for example, suppose dy by dx plus 1 by xy equal to a function of x. Suppose it is a function of x. Now, if you multiply this differential equation by x, then the left hand side will become x dy by dx plus y. Left hand side will become this. Then you may write it as xy, first function x, differentiation of the second function dy by dx plus second function y, differentiation of the first function x is 1. Now, if you multiply this by x, then the left hand side of this differential equation becomes a perfect differential. Means you may write in this way, d dx of x into y, a function of x into y. You may write like this. Now, we have multiplied this differential equation by x. After multiplying this by x, this differential equation becomes a perfect differential. Left hand side becomes a perfect differential. This factor is called the integrating factor. This factor is called the integrating factor. And another example. अब देखिए dy by dx plus suppose 10x equal to y equal to a function of x. Any function of x. Any function, right hand side is any function of x. You multiply it by, suppose you multiply it by sec x. इसको sec x से multiply कर दीजिएगा. Sec x dy by dx plus sec x tan x into y. You may write like this. Then अब देखिए first function sec x, second function y. Sec x, first function, second function y. First function and first function into differentiation of the second function. If you differentiate sec x, then you will get sec x into tan x. Sec x का differentiation होगा sec x into tan x. You may write it as d dx of sec x into y. Sec x into y. Means in this case, sec x is the integrating factor. Because if you multiply this differential equation by sec x, then left hand side becomes a perfect differential. Means sec x से multiply कर देने से left hand side इस तरह लिख सकते हैं d dx of a function of x into y, sec x into y. Sec x will be the integrating factor here. इसी तरह हम लोग इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालते हैं. पहले ये sec x से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, मल्टीप्लाई कर देने से इंटीग्रेटिंग परफेक्ट डिफरेंशियल हो गया. लेकिन इस sec x इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर हाउ विल यू फाइंड द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, इसको निकालेंगे कैसे? पहला डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, कंसीडर द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, कंसीडर द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. Differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q. P and q are functions of x alone or constant. P and q are functions of x alone or constant. Now suppose r is the integrating factor. समझ लीजिए r integrating factor. Let r be the integrating factor of the differential equation 1. R be the integrating factor of the differential equation 1. R is the integrating factor of the differential equation 1. This means that if you multiply this by r, left side becomes a perfect differential. R means r is a function of x. R means r is a function of x. Multiply 1 by r. Multiplying 1 by r. Multiplying 1 by r we get 1 by r we get. If you multiply 1 by r, you will get r dy by dx plus pry equal to qr. You will get this. Multiply this, you will get this. Now, integrating factor r. Left side will be of the form d dx of ry. d dx of ry. Now r dy by dx can be obtained only by differentiation shading ry with respect to x. Now you may write it. Now r dy by dx can be obtained only by differentiating. Only by differentiating. Ry with respect to x. Only by differentiating ry with respect to x. Now d dx of ry. ये क्या होगा देख लीजिए. Now d dx of ry. d dx of ry equal to r dy by dx plus dr by dx y. ये हो जाएगा. Number 3, not 2, it is suppose this is number 3. Now equation number 1 को आर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देने से ए मिल गया, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 हो गया। नाउ इक्वेशन नंबर 2 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन नंबर 2 इज ए परफेक्ट डिफरेंशियल, मीन्स इट इज ऑफ द फॉर्म ddx of ry. Now if you differentiate ry with respect to x, mind that r is a function of x, then you will get this one. This means that left hand right hand side of this means from 2 and 3 you will get this equal to this. Now from 2 and 3 r dy by dx plus p ry equal to r dy by dx plus dr by dx y, you will get this. दोनों साइड से a दोनों कैंसिल हो जाए. Now you will get here p ry equal to dr by dx y. Y will be cancelled here. Suppose you will get dr by r. Separate the variables p into dx. Now integrating we get integral dr by r equal to integral p dx. This means integration dr by r means log r equal to integral p dx. This means r equal to e to the power integral p dx. This is the integrating factor of the differential equation. dy by dx plus py equal to q means e to the power integral p dx is the integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q. This means that if you multiply the equation by e to the power integral p dx, then left side becomes a perfect differential. Then integrating you can solve the differential equation. Now if you multiply 1 by e to the power integral p dx we get. Now multiplying 1 by e to the power integral p dx we get. Multiplying 1 by e to the power integral p dx we get e to the power integral p dx dy by dx plus p e to the power integral p dx y equal to q into e to the power integral p dx. You will get this one. Now see, if you differentiate this one e to the power integral p dx, then you will get ddx of e to the power integral p dx. You will get it will be d e to the power integral p dx. Now differentiate integral p dx with respect to x. You will get p. Means this is nothing but p into integral e to the power integral p dx is nothing but d dx of this. You may write like this. Now write like this. P dx dy by dx plus p, you may write d dx of e to the power integral p dx into y q into e to the power integral p dx. Now left hand side see, first function e to the power integral p dx, treat it as first function, and y you should treat y as the second function. समझ लीजिए e to the power integral p dx first function और y second function. Then first function into integration of the second function plus second function into first function into differentiation of the second function plus second function y into differentiation of the first function. You will get this d dx of e to the power integral p dx y equal to q e to the power integral p dx. You will get this one. Integrating we get e to the power integral p dx y equal to integration this p dx plus Suppose C is the constant of integration. This is now after integrating this, you will get the solution. In this way, we solve linear differential equations. First, find the integrating factor, and then multiply the equation by the integrating factor. Then the left hand side becomes a perfect differential. Then means it is of the form dy by dx into r into y, means integrating factor into y equal to q into the integrating factor. Then integrating, you will get the solution of the differential equation. In this way, which is the solution of the differential equation? You may write y equal to e to the power minus integral p dx plus c into e to the, you may write like this also. Now this is the solution of the differential equation 1, which is the required solution. You may write y equal to e to the power minus integral p dx into this quantity plus c into again this quantity. You may write like this. Now in this way we shall solve these problems on linear differential equations. Now let us try to solve the equation number 1. Let us try to solve the equation number 1. 1, it is cos x dy by dx plus y sin x equal to 1. Cos x dy by dx plus y sin x equal to. Now dividing the differential equation by cos x, cos x से divide कर दीजिएगा. Dividing by cos x we get by cos x we get dy by dx plus y, cos x से divide कर देने से sin x by cos x, it will be tan x. Equal to, and cos x से divide कर दीजिएगा, it will be 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x, you may write it is just sec x, which is equal to sec x. This is equal to sec x. Now, it is of the form dy by dx plus py, p means tan x, equal to q, which is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, which is of the form here p equal to tan x, q equal to sec x, p equal to tan x, q equal to sec x. Integrating factor, and you see integrating factor, we shall write if. If will always stand for integrating factor. It will stand for integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dx. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral p dx. This is equal to e to the power integral tan x dx. What is the integration of tan x dx? This sec x. This is equal to e to the power log of sec x. It is e to the power log of sec x. This is equal to sec x. Log of sec x. This is equal to sec x. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now multiply the equation number 1 by sec x. Then the left hand side will become a perfect differential. Now multiplying 1 by sec x we get. Now multiplying 1 by sec x we get. Multiplying 1 by sec x we get. Sec x से multiply कर दीजिएगा. Sec x dy by dx plus y sec x into tan x equal to sec x into sec x, means it will be sec square x. It will be sec square x. Now see, this left side can be written as d dx of sec x into y. You may write in this way. Because first function sec x, differentiation of y is dy by dx, plus y, differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. This is equal to sec square x. This is equal to sec square x. Integrating we get sec x into y, sec square x dx plus c. This means sec x into y equal to, this is tan x plus c. This is the required solution. You may write y equal to tan x. This is the answer. This is the solution of the differential equation. Or here c is the constant of integration. You may write it as y equal to tan x by sec x plus c by sec x into cos x. You may write it as sin x. Tan x means sin x by cos x. Sec x means 1 by cos x. You will get sin x by cos x into cos x. Means sin x plus c cos x. You may write like this also. This is the solution. Which is the required solution of the differential equation. Number 1 has been solved here. We have solved number 1. Question number 2 को देखिए. It is also of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Q is a function of x or a constant. One is a constant. A function of x भी हो सकता है और constant भी हो सकता है. One constant. P is this 1 minus twice x divided by x square. A function of x. Q is this. Means equation number 2 is also a linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Linear differential, we are discussing about linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Question number 2 देख लीजिए. 2 is linear in y. Linear in y means the dependent variable is y and independent variable is x. Independent variable is x, dependent is y. The differential equation is dy by dx 1 minus twice x divided by x square into y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Obviously, 1 is a linear differential equation. 1 is linear because it is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. 1 is linear in y means linear with y as dependent variable and x as independent variable. 1 is linear. It is of the form. It is of the form because it is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. P and q are functions of x only. X only or alone or constant. Functions of x or constant, p and q. Here you see p is this, a function of x. Q is 1, a constant. Therefore, it is a linear differential equation. Now, integrating factor. Integrating factor. Here you may write here p equal to. Here p equal to 1 minus twice x divided by x square and q equal to 1. P equal to 1 minus twice x divided by x square and q is equal to 1. Integrating factor equal to integrating factor e to the power integral p dx e to the power integral 1 minus twice x divided by x square dx or e to the power integral 1 by x square minus 2 by x dx or e to the power integral 1 by x square means x to the power minus 2. X to the power minus 2. And the integral of x to the power minus 2, it is of the form x to the power n. X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Means x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Means x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. X to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. Minus 2 times of, it is log x. 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x. This is equal to e to the power minus 1 by x minus log of x square. You can write like this. Or you may write e to the power minus 1 by x into e to the power minus log of x square. You may write like this. Or this is equal to e to the power minus 1 by x e to the power log 1 by x square minus log x square means what? Minus log x square. 0 minus log x square. This is equal to log of 1 minus log x square. This is equal to log of 1 divided by x square or x to the power minus 2. Log of 1 divided by x square. This is equal to e to the power minus 1 by x. It is nothing but 1 by x square. This is equal to 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x. 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x. 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x. This is the integrating factor. One by x square e to the power minus 1 by x. Now multiply 1 by integrating factor. Multiplying 1 by 1 by the integrating factor, which is 1 by x square e to the power minus x. We get 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x dy by dx plus 1 minus twice x divided by x to the power 4 e to the power minus 1 by x y equal to 1 means 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x Now you see, it can be written as 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by xy. You may write like this. Why? Treat this as the first function. इसको first function समझ लीजिए 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x. Second function y means d dx of 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x must be equal to this. Must be equal to this. If you differentiate 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x, you will get this. Thus, you may verify it also. Because, since, you may write here, since d dx of 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x, this is equal to first function 1 by x square. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? e to the power minus 1 by x, e to the power mx means e to the power mx, e to the power mx means e to the power, and you will have to differentiation of e to the power mx means this 1 by x square. What is the differentiation of this? E to the power mx. The differentiation of e to the power mx is m into e to the power mx. Means mx. It is mx, but it is not e to the power minus this one. E to the power this. E to the power minus 1 by x into, you will have to differentiate minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x. It is of the form minus 1 by x. Therefore, the differentiation of this e to the power minus 1 by x. Now differentiate minus 1 by x with respect to x. First function this into differentiation of that x plus second function e to the power minus 1 by x. The differentiation of 1 by x square. What is the differentiation of 1 by x square? Means x to the power minus 2. 1 by x square means x to the power minus 2. This is equal to 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x. It will be minus 1 minus x to the power minus 2 plus e to the power minus 1 by x minus 2 x to the power minus 3. You will get this. This is equal to 1 by x to the power 4 e to the power minus 1 by x minus 2 divided by x cube, because 2 to x to the power minus 3 means 1 by x cube, x to the power minus 1 by 3, x to the power minus 1, e to the power minus 1 by x into e to the power minus 1 by x, which is equal to e to the power minus 1 by x. Now let me write here. This is equal to e to the power minus 1 by x divided by x to the power 4. Take it common. E to the power minus 1 by x divided by x to the power 4. You will get here 1 minus. You will get twice x. Twice x. Since this is equal to this, means if you differentiate 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x, you will get this. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करने से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड परफेक्ट डिफरेंशियल होगा ही होगा. इट विल डेफिनेटली reduce to the form reduce to the perfect differential, means you may write it as d dx of integrating factor into y. You will get this one. Now d dx of this equal to d dx of this. From this you may write d dx of this, because d dx of this equal to this, which is equal to here 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x. Why we have written d dx of this? The logic is here within the bracket. The logic has been written within this bracket. Logic is this. It is written within the bracket. Therefore, we have got this one, this equation. Suppose this is number 2. Now integrating, it is now integrating this we get. Integrating 2 we get. Now integrating 2 we get. Integrating 2 we get. Integrating 2 we get. 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x y equal to integral 1 by x square minus dx plus c. Integrating we get this. Now we have to integrate this one. You see, if you differentiate minus 1 by x, what is the differentiation of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. What is the differentiation of minus 1 by x? It is plus 1 by x square. Therefore, put minus 1 by x equal to z. Now put. Suppose this is number 3. Put minus 1 by x equal to z. This means minus 1 by x square dx equal to dz. This means 1 by x square dx equal to dz. 1 by x square dx equal to dz. We will get this one. Therefore, 3 from 3 we will get 3 implies 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x y equal to integrate. Now, before going to 3, therefore integral 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x dx equal to integral e to the power z. It is dz. For e to the power for minus 1 by x, write z. For 1 by x square dx, you write dz. What is this? It is equal to e to the power z. What is z? Z means 1 by x. Z means, therefore from 3 you will get 1 by x square e to the power minus 1 by x y equal to e to the power minus 1 by x plus c, or 1 by x square y equal to 1 plus c e to the power 1 by x, or y equal to x square 1 plus c e to the power 1 by x. This is the required solution of the differential equation. Y equal to x square 1 plus c. This is the required solution of the differential equation number 2. This means we have solved the differential equation 2 also. Now, let us come to solve the equation number 3. Similar problem. It is also linear differential equation because it is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Dy by dx plus py equal to q. It is of the form this. It is of the form this. Number 3. The differential equation 3 is dy by dx plus twice x plus 1 divided by x, y equal to e to the power minus twice x, e to the power minus twice x. This is linear. Suppose the differential equation is 1. 1 is linear in y. Linear in y means linear with y as the dependent variable. Obviously, it is q is a function of x, means independent variable is x. Now, integrating factor. IF means integrating factor. IF also always stands for integrating factor of the differential equation. What is the integrating factor? E to the power integral p dx. E to the power integral p means twice x plus 1 divided by x dx. This is equal to e to the power 2 plus 1 by x dx. 2 plus 1 by x dx. This is equal to e to the power twice x plus, this is log x, e to the power twice x into e to the power log x. You may write like this. E to the power log x means x. This is equal to e to the power twice x into x. Here the integrating factor is x e to the power twice x. Integrating factor is x e to the power twice x. 1 multiplied by integrating factor, we get 1 into x e to the power twice x. X e to the power twice x dy by dx plus x e to the power twice x 1 twice x plus 1. It is twice x plus 1 divided by x. Twice x plus 1 divided by x. Y equal to x e to the power twice x e to the power minus twice x. This means x e to the power twice x dy by dx plus x will be cancelled, twice x plus 1 e to the power twice x, y equal to it will be x. This means you may write here x e to the power twice x y, integrating factor into y. You see, first function, just treat x e to the power twice x as the first function, y as the second function. It will be first function x e to the power twice x into second function dy by dx plus second function y. What is the differentiation of x e to the power twice x? It is again of the form, again in the product function d dx of x e to the power twice x. First function x e to the power twice x का differentiation क्या होगा? 2 times of e to the power twice x plus e to the power twice x into 1. This is equal to, you will get this is equal to twice x plus 1 e to the power twice x. You see here, twice x plus 1 e to the power twice x. Therefore, this expression can be written as this. If you find the integrating factor and if you multiply the differential equation by the integrating factor, then left-hand side will become the perfect differential always. This is equal to x. This is equal to x. Integrating we get. Now integrating we get. Integrating we get. Integrating we get. X e to the power twice x y integral x dx plus c. C is the constant of integration. X e to the power twice x y x square by 2 plus c. X square by twice x plus c. Or you may write e to the power twice x y equal to x by 2 plus c by x. You may write like this. Or you may write y equal to e to the power minus twice x by 2 plus c by x. This is the answer. Or you may put the answer in this way also and in this way also. X by 2 plus c by x. Thus we have solved the question number 3. Now let us come to solve the question number 4. Solve the initial value problem that consists of the differential equation this and the initial condition this and the initial condition this. To solve such type of differential equation, first solve the differential equation this, then apply the condition to find the constant of integration c and put the constant of integration in the solution. You will get the particular solution. Now number 4. The differential equation is this: x square plus 1 dy by dx plus 4x y equal to x. 4xy equal to x. This is the differential equation. You may write the differential equation in this way: 4x divided by x square plus 1 y equal to x divided by x square plus 1. X divided by x square plus 1. It is linear, which is of the form. Suppose this is number 1, which is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Up here a function of x and this is also a function of x. इसमें क्या है y. You should always mind that it should be y, not 1 by y or e to the power y or log y or y to the power minus 1 or something like that. It must be y. If it is y square, then it is not linear. dy by dx plus p into y. Y means it is y. It is not e to the power y. It is not e to the power minus y. It is not y square. It is not y cube. It is not log y or something like that. It is y. If it is y, and these are functions of x, then this is a linear differential equation. Here p equal to, here p equal to 4x by x square plus 1. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dx, e to the power integral 4x divided by x square plus 1 dx, e to the power. Now, if you differentiate the denominator x square plus 1, what is the differentiation of x square plus 1? It will be twice x. It is 4x. You may write 2 times of twice x divided by x square plus 1. Means numerator is the differentiation of the denominator. Answer is log of denominator. Log of the denominator. 4x can be written as 2 into twice x. If you differentiate the denominator x square plus 1, you will get twice x. Means in the integration, numerator is the differentiation of the denominator. Answer is log of denominator. And also 2 is common, log of denominator. This is equal to e to the power log x square plus 1 whole square. This is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. This means x square plus 1 whole square is the integrating factor. X square plus 1 whole square is the integrating factor. Now multiply 1 by x square plus 1. Now 1 into integrating factor. Now multiply 1 by the integrating factor. We get. Multiply 1 by integrating factor. Integrating factor say multiply by here. You will get x square plus 1 whole square dy by dx plus 4x x square plus 1 y equal to x square plus 1. X square plus 1. This means d dx of x square plus 1 whole square y, you may write like this, equal to x into x square plus 1. Now differentiate, because differentiation of x square plus 1 whole square is 2 times of x square plus 1 into differentiation of x square plus 1, which is twice x. 2 times of x square plus 1 into twice x, it is 4x into x square plus 1. Therefore, if you differentiation, therefore it is first function differentiation of the second function y plus second function y into differentiation of the first function. Therefore, you may write like this. Now integrating we get. Integrating we get. Integrating we get. X square plus 1 whole square y. This can be written as x cube plus x. X cube plus x dx. Integrate x cube plus x dx. Which is equal to x to the power 4 by 4 plus x square by 2 plus c. It will be number 2. Now, given the initial condition y2 equal to 1. Now y2 equal to 1. That is y equal to 1 when x is equal to 2. Now put this in the equation number 2. Therefore 2 implies. Put this 2. X is equal to 2. 2 square plus 1 whole square into 1 equal to 2 to the power 4 divided by 4 plus 2 square divided by 2 plus c. Means 5 square means 25 equal to 4 plus 2 plus c. This means c equal to 19. 625 minus 6 equal to 19. Therefore, put the value of c in equation number 2. Therefore, 2. Therefore, 2. X square plus 1 whole square. Y equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus x square by 2 plus 19. This is the required solution of the differential equation. This is the required solution of the differential equation. Or you may write it like that, 1 by 4 x square. 1 by 4 x square is common. You will get x square plus twice x. No. No, this is the answer. X square plus 1, you will get x square plus 1. X square plus 2, you will get x square plus 2. No need. This is the required solution of the differential equation. For particular integral, this is the solution of the differential equation. Thus, we have solved these 4 problems. We have solved these 4 problems. Dear students, thanks for attending class. Thank you very much. I will stop here today. Thank you.